Hi there, Kay here from Teach Your Monster with another quick tutorial on how to find your class code. When you set up a school account and add a group or player, you'll receive a unique class code. Please note that this class code will only appear once you've added at least one player. Your players will need this class code to log in, and this can be shared with them using their password cards. Find out more about this in the linked video. Your student quick login link is next to the class code. This link is our website URL followed by your unique class code. If you click this, it will take you to the student login screen, where you can see your unique class code is already input, leaving your students to simply input their username and password. If you'd like to disable passwords for your students, you can make the step even quicker. See the linked video. We recommend you bookmark this page so your students can access it more easily later.